guys, I'm devasyadeval from devasyadeval and DGZ. Okay, so I think this would be my best video ever posted on these two channels. Okay, so here is the unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy S8. Okay, so first of all, let's open this. Okay, we will swipe this. This is the Indian retail unit. Okay, I got it out. Okay, here are the specifications of this phone, and here is the box. Okay, Indian retail unit, Indian SIM card only, and do not accept. This is just a quick unboxing which I have done earlier only, and I just want to show you this unboxing just to show you what we get inside the box. Okay, so here we will open the box, and okay, on the top we get the phone. Okay, wow. Oh, look at this. Yeah, this I got this before only. Okay, let's keep this aside and check what's inside this. Okay, this is a card, and here is this thing, paperwork and SIM ejection tool. Okay, the next thing we have here is the charger, and the charger is fast charger, adaptive fast charging, Samsung. And here we have got this thing which is USB connector, OTG, and we will keep this thing also aside. And here we get this thing. Okay, this is the micro USB connector. Okay, and the best thing is here. Okay, here's the charging cable. Okay, let's keep this thing also aside, and this is the best thing which we get in this phone, which is this is the AKG headphones. This is from AKG, and it itself cost about $100, and $100 is 6,500 rupees something. Okay, let's take them out. Okay, yes, that's great. Okay, let's keep this, and let's move to the phone. And here we get some extra earbuds also, and here is the phone. Okay, let's power it on. Yeah, Samsung Galaxy powered by Android. Yeah, still the phone boots up. I will take this off later. Whoa! Yes, this thing. Okay, this is Samsung Experience, and look at the beauty of this phone. Wow! Here is the SIM card tray, and this side we have volume rockers and the Bixby button, and here is the USB Type-C port, and here is the grill for the speakers, and this side is the headphone jack. Okay, yes, I have already inserted the same inside this phone, and software updates have also came here. Okay, let's check the Bixby button. Okay, yeah, hello Bixby. Okay, and let me show you that how to just activate the sensors or the locks. Okay, games, one hand feature, one handed mode is enabled now. Okay, I don't want this. And lock screen and security, and here is the iris scanner. Okay, continue. Okay, let's use pattern. Okay, yes, my pattern is completed, and you can see here continue. Just hold it. Okay, let's check. Yes, it is completed. Okay, these are the tips. Okay, Let's check, is it working? Okay. Yes, really blazingly fast. Wow. Yes, it unlocks. Yes guys, this was the quick unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy S8, and this thing has a fingerprint back of it. And this was a quick unboxing, and you will get the tips and tricks for this phone on my channel devasyadeval and DGZ, and this touch feedback is really very good. Okay, let me check, let me try once more. Okay, yes, it unlocked. Well guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.